Number 1 is iron. Now, this is one of the major causes of hair loss in women specifically. Hair thinning, hair loss, you're seeing more hair fall in the shower. My name is Iman and I was diagnosed with androgenetic alopecia because we're going to be going through the major causes of hair loss and how to treat it. If your ferritin stores are below 100, then this equals hair starvation. Iron is a non-negotiable foundation for hair growth and hair health. It's needed for cellular metabolism, collagen synthesis, and oxygen delivery to the hair follicle. But specifically women, we lose iron monthly. That's menstruation, postpartum, and we also have gut dysfunction that blocks the absorption of iron. So it's a really complex issue. Get your blood checked. You want to get 100 and above, but if it's not, then these are some things that you really need to understand. So ferritin isn't just storage, it's a safety signal. So if your body thinks you're in scarcity, it is depleting it specifically from your hair. Your hair is a non-vital organ. You need your heart to pump blood, you need your lungs to breathe. Your hair is going to be deprioritized. The worst thing is that if you have heavy periods or maybe a copper IUD, if you've just had a baby, this depletion can crash ferritin levels for years. If you know that you're iron deficient, your doctor has probably prescribed you non-heme iron, which is ferrous sulfate. This is so hard to absorb. Without correcting your gut inflammation first, you're not going to absorb anything. Low iron levels mimic hypothyroid symptoms. This is fatigue, feeling tired all the time, cold intolerance when it's freezing cold and you just can't take the cold, brittle hair, brittle nails, skin issues. This is a really common indicator that you could be suffering from low ferritin. So you want to test your iron levels, but not just your ferritin stores. Ask for these specific tests. You want to test serum iron, TIBC, transferrin saturation, and inflammation markers like CRP. Otherwise, you'll miss completely functional anemia. How do we fix iron? It's so difficult to absorb. So you want to prioritize heme iron. Non-heme iron is things like plants, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, spinach. You want to supplement with heme iron. So that is meat, beef spleen, liver. Those are going to be the best. I know it's not great, but you want to have something like beef organs. Now, beef organs are rich in iron and you want to supplement with vitamin C, but make sure you're picking the right vitamin C. You want whole food vitamin C. Synthetic vitamin C is not going to be as effective. If you are having tea, coffee, milk, dairy, this is all going to block the absorption of iron. So if you are supplementing with iron, trying to do it on an empty stomach, that's going to help increase the absorption. Do not rely on non-heme. Spinach is not enough. I'm sorry to my vegan girlies. You can also try and supplement with iron bisoglycinate, but you also need cofactors because the absorption of iron and the delivery of oxygen require specific cofactors for it to be absorbed. Vitamin C, as I mentioned, B12 and copper, those are also really important to help increase the absorption of iron. And if your ferritin levels are not rising, test for gut issues. Test for gut inflammation. If you have gut inflammation, you need to fix that first. So having more fermented foods, kefir, all of those things to help increase of your gut biome. I like to take Organize. I've just recently started taking this. It actually tastes okay. I've had beef organ supplements before and they've been absolutely revolting. They make your fart stink, I'm going to be honest with you. And they just make you stink like this. Like it just permeates up your skin. But this one I'm really enjoying. It has beef organs. It also has collagen and colostrum and sea salt and dates. So the dates make it a lot sweeter, and honey as well. And also Celtic salt. But there you guys have it. This was pretty a long video, but I hope it's been really helpful. If you guys have any questions or anything that I've spoken about, let me know in the comments. I've linked all of the products in my description and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!